Morning po. Kahapon po, tinry po natin yung milk chocolate version nito pong Dache or Dache. So ngayon naman po, meron naman po siyang dark chocolate version. So yun naman po yung itatry natin. So ito po yung baseline blood sugar po natin, CGM. 110 po yung nakaregister dyan. So kainin ko po si dark chocolate, tapos after 2 hours babalik po ulit ako to see kung ano po yung magiging blood sugar spike po niya. Well, naging maganda naman po yung resulta ng milk chocolate version po nito, no? So I'm also expecting na wala pong magiging problema dito kasi dark chocolate po ito. Yeah, so naka-pack din po siya individually, no? Just like the milk chocolate version. So yung milk chocolate version po nito 12 pieces. 2, 4, 6, 8. Same. So 12 pieces din po ito. So tatlo lang po yung kakainin ko, just like what I did with the milk chocolate yesterday. Naka 2 hours na po. So kumain po tayo ng Dutch or Dache dark chocolate today. Yesterday yung milk chocolate po yung tinry po natin. So ito po yung naging resulta after 2 hours, no. Nag-baseline po tayo ng 110. That was 2 hours ago. After 1 hour, umakyat po siya ng 124. Tapos after several minutes pa, yung 124, nag-peak pa po siya ng 128. So now, we're back to 121. So ito po yung history niyan. Ayan. Kitang-kita naman po siya sa CGM. Ayan. So I hope one of these days I'll find a way para mai-insert ko po siya sa video po natin para mas malinaw po siya. So ang conclusion po natin, no, medyo weird lang kasi yung milk chocolate yesterday mas mababa, sobrang minimal po nung blood sugar spike po niya, minimal to 0, halos hindi mo mapansin. Ito medyo meron pong konti, pero you have to take note, no, na 3 pieces lang po yung kinain ko. So kung gagawin niyo po siyang dessert, I don't think na magkakaproblema kayo for as long as yung kinain nyo pong meal is low carb, high in fiber, high in fats and protein, para wala po tayong problema. Kung kaya nyo pong iwasan ng wag mag-rice, mas maganda po kung wala pong rice yung kakainin yung meal. So yun lang po for this review. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye-bye.